Which 4K security camera system is actually good for your business? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the answer. Today, we're uncovering the top options that can bring peace of mind to your workplace. Product number 1, OnePlus 4K PoE Security Camera System. First up, we have the OnePlus 4K PoE Security Camera System. At around $1,001, this system includes an impressive 16-channel NVR and 8 wired cameras. If you want comprehensive monitoring with high-quality footage, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the 4K resolution, which means you can zoom in and actually identify a face from 30 feet away. The system also boasts a 132-degree field of view, allowing you to cover more ground without additional cameras. Plus, the AI motion detection can distinguish between humans and vehicles with 99% accuracy. This matters because it minimizes those annoying false alarms. Now here's the honest flaw. Some users complain about the complexity of installation. But here's the thing, once you set it up, you've got a rock-solid security system that requires minimal maintenance. This camera system is perfect for larger businesses needing extensive coverage. This is perfect for you if you need a professional-grade security solution for a warehouse or large office space. Skip this one if you're looking for a plug-and-play option without the need for a bit of setup. For the price, it's a solid investment for long-term security. Product number 2, 5MP Wireless Security Camera System. Next, we have the CamCamp 5MP Wireless Security Camera System priced at $467.57. With 8 outdoor cameras and 360-degree auto tracking, it caught my attention immediately. If flexibility and ease of use matter to you, this is a compelling choice. The wireless feature means you can set up cameras without worrying about running wires all over your property. The 3 night vision modes provide excellent visibility at night, allowing you to see up to 100 feet in full color, which is crucial for identifying potential threats after dark. The system also supports up to 10 channels for future expansion, making it adaptable as your business grows. However, some users mention the need for strong Wi-Fi to avoid connectivity issues. But honestly, if you have a decent network, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This system is a great option for small to medium businesses looking for an easy-to-manage security solution. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible, easy-to-set-up system for a small office or store. Skip this one if your business requires extensive coverage and you can't ensure a strong Wi-Fi signal. For the price, it offers great functionality without ongoing subscription fees. Product number 3, OnePlus 12MP PoE Security Camera System. Moving on, we have another OnePlus model, this time the 12MP PoE Security Camera System. While the exact price wasn't listed, this system is generally positioned as a premium option. If you're after ultra-high-definition footage, this is worth checking out. The 12MP resolution means you can capture incredibly detailed images, which is crucial for identifying specifics in a potential investigation. It also includes smart AI motion detection, which can differentiate between a person and a vehicle. This helps reduce unnecessary alerts, keeping your attention focused only on what matters. Now, a notable downside is that the complexity of features might overwhelm some users. But here's the thing, if you're willing to spend a little time learning the system, the benefits far outweigh the learning curve. Ideal for businesses that take security seriously. This is perfect for you if you run a high-value location like a jewelry store or a tech shop that requires detailed monitoring. Skip this if you want something straightforward with minimal bells and whistles. For those who need clarity and detail, it's a worthwhile investment. Product number 4, ONWOTE 16-channel NVR PoE Security Camera System. Next on our list, we have the ONWOTE 16-channel NVR PoE Security Camera System. This system is a powerhouse, especially for larger setups, although pricing wasn't specified. If managing a bigger space is your priority, this should grab your attention. The 6MP resolution and AI human vehicle detection are perfect for minimizing false alarms and ensuring you're only alerted to real issues. Plus, the IP66 durable housing means it can handle tough weather conditions without a hitch. However, some users pointed out that the setup process can be somewhat challenging. But honestly, once you get it up and running, you're set for comprehensive coverage. This system is ideal for businesses that require extensive surveillance. This is perfect for you if you have a large warehouse or a retail environment that needs constant monitoring. Skip this one if you only need a simple setup with less coverage. For those serious about security, the investment will pay off. Product number 5. ONWOTE 16-channel 4K PoE Security Camera System. Finally, we have the ONWOTE 16-channel 4K PoE Security Camera System, which is another great option. Although pricing details are still pending, this system is designed for comprehensive coverage. If you want the best clarity for your business, this setup is impressive. The dual recording capability offers audio capture, adding an extra layer of detail to your recordings, which can be vital during any incidents. The AI features help in reducing unwanted alerts, keeping your focus where it's needed most. One drawback is that some users found the system a bit pricey compared to others. But I'll be real with you, when it comes to security, investing in quality can save you from future losses. This system is tailored for businesses that want the best. This is perfect for you if you want cutting-edge surveillance for a high-value environment. Skip this one if you're on a tighter budget and don't need top-tier resolution. It's a worthwhile investment for serious security needs. So to recap, we looked at 5 fantastic 4K security camera systems. The Long Plus options are great for those needing professional coverage, while the CamCamp system offers flexibility for smaller setups. The ONWOTE systems provide extensive storage and impressive features for larger businesses. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be a solid choice. Make sure to pick the one that aligns best with your security goals.